Hello guys, I am on my share sale account. Here there is the merchant where you can find the merchant here. You can search, you can filter the search and find many things here per lead, per sale, flight rate, depending on your choices. On here, you can, for example, if you want to be auto approval in the program of affiliate marketing, you can click this one, but it's not really important. You can sign up for their program and fill up all the requirement for the program, and you can be graded and accepted. So here we're gonna search per lead CPE. Okay, CPE is really known is cost per action. So they are, for example, paying you to per lead here for everyone who sign up and you have these program keywords in your article on your website. You can earn per lead $2,000, which is something really great. Here, for example, this one per lead. Here we have for only sign up, you can earn this amount of money. For everyone who sign up to your account or to your website, you can here earn 1,000 100, I'm sorry, which is something really great. And you have to make an article from these program keywords. Here you join the program and you earn depending on what you have in your website. And of course, we can here search or modify the search. I'm gonna choose here per lead commission. We're gonna see the most. Here is the most. Um, this one, I guess this one is really interesting. We can sign up for this or maybe for this because, well, my articles are talking about SaaS, finance, business growth, finance, cash flow, stuff like this. Well, I always oriented myself to those niches. Even in my videos, I try to share the most profitable keywords so I can earn an advantage with this. So here we are, guys. Please hit subscribe button if you really find this video interesting. And here, if someone has sales, he can oriented his let's see the hit and commissions. Hit click and on commissions. There's nothing here. Zero per lead here. Zero per lead. Share sale. I don't know if this is. Yes, here we have shares per lead. If someone just only click on maybe a link or you directed someone from your contents from your website to their website to this website, you can earn uh, of course a commission regarding this. Anyway, if you really please find this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe and make a like button. Thank you so much guys for watching, and thank you so much.